Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to check exactly what you've bought on Steam, whether it's games, DLCs, or wallet top-ups, this quick tutorial is for you. Today, I'll show you step by step how to see your full purchase history on Steam in just a few clicks. So before we start, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss another quick tech guide like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the window. You'll see your profile name there. Click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Account Details. This will take you to your main account management page where you can control everything related to your Steam account. Now, under the section called Store and Purchase History, you'll notice an option that says View Purchase History. It's usually right beside your wallet balance. Go ahead and click on that. Once you do, you'll be taken to a detailed list of all your transactions. Every single game, software, and says Steam Wallet credit you've ever bought. Each item will also show the date, time, and price, giving you a full overview of your spending activity. This is super handy if you want to track your past purchases, check refund statuses, or simply know where your money's going on Steam. And that's it. You've now learned how to see your complete purchase history on Steam in just a few seconds. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and share it with your gaming friends who might need this too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.